And bitter kola is definitely on the top of everyone's list. Garcinia kola or bitter kola belongs to the species of tropical flowering plants commonly found in Nigeria, Benin, Cameroon, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ivory Coast, Gabon, Ghana, Liberia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, and the rest of the countries. The amazing health benefits of bitter kola includes 1. Bitter kola is an antibacterial agent. An experimental study shows that the chemical constituent in bitter kola has anti-malarial properties, thereby fighting malaria parasites. Number 2. Bitter kola reduces eye pressure. An increase in the eye pressure can lead to glaucoma. Modern researches have shown that metabolic solution contained in bitter kola significantly reduces eye pressure when used twice a day. We can chew the back of bitter kola, one in the morning and one at night, for those of us who have eye problem. The number 3 health benefits of bitter kola is bitter kola helps clear the voice. Bitter kola, when eaten, helps to clear the coarse voice. It helps the voice by stimulating the production of mucus along the line of vocal tune. Number 4. Bitter kola is an anti-poison. In cases where food poisoning is suspected, the seed and the bark of bitter kola should be eaten together. This helps to detoxify the system. Number 5 health benefits of bitter kola. Bitter kola increases longevity. In the past, bitter kola was mostly eaten by elderly people because they believed that bitter kola prolongs life. Further researches have shown that bitter kola contains chemical compounds that will help in the breakdown of glycogen in the liver and has other medicinal uses which account for its longevity properties. Number 6. Bitter kola improves lungs function. Bitter kola has been effective for centuries in the treatment of cold as a traditional medicine. It works by dilating the alveolar ducts, by improving the strength of the fibers in the lungs tissues. Number 7. Bitter kola relieves cough and diarrhea. The chemicals in bitter kola are responsible for its cleansing effect. It is mainly used as tonic for liver and gallbladder. Bitter kola helps in relieving cough and diarrhea. Number 8. Another important health benefit of bitter kola is that it drives snakes away from the vicinity. For snake prevention, spread bitter kola around the vicinity or your compound. For this great antibiotic will drive snakes away from the vicinity. Number 9. It reduces the intoxicating effects of alcohol. Before taking alcohol, for those of us who takes alcohol, chew 1 or 2 bitter kola seeds. It will surely reduce the alcoholic effects in you. Number 10. Bitter kola improves fertility in men. Bitter kola is sometimes believed to cure impotence. Frequent consumption of bitter kola can boost a man's sexual performance. With all the health benefits of bitter kola, it has been noted that bitter kola is regarded in a high esteem in all countries, including Nigeria. Please don't fail to spread bitter kola seeds around your compound for prevention. For they say,